pray and then let go of the baggage of feeling responsible for what's happening to them. One of the things that I most appreciate about studying the Bible is that every time I read it, I learn something new, and especially when it's related to a story that I have heard over and over and over again, and suddenly something jumps out at me. I read one person said it's like the Holy Spirit's highlighter when a sentence jumps out of the page at you. And I was reading the story of David and Goliath. And the phrase that I hadn't noticed before was it talked about that David shed his baggage before he went to fight Goliath. And I thought about it, and I thought, how many times do we need to shed our baggage in order to be able to fight the battles that we are meant to fight, or to accomplish what God created us to accomplish? So my question for you is, what baggage is holding you back? What is it that's keeping you from being all that God intended you to be, or doing all that God wanted you to do? It may be physical baggage. It may be emotional baggage. You know, those thoughts about you're too old, or you're not smart enough, or educated enough, or it wouldn't make a difference. Maybe it's the baggage of trying to control other people's lives. And then we have to remind ourselves that everybody has their own path. And when other people are struggling, especially the people we love, and we want so much to help them, we have to remember that God has a path for them. And the best thing we can do is pray and then let go of the baggage of feeling responsible for what's happening to them, because it's not our job to fix it. What baggage are you holding on to? Let it go. Let God handle it.